Hi everyone! This is a quick video on how to use Google Classroom as a student. The first thing you're going to do is try and find the Google Classroom app. On my current screen here, you can see it. It's a white icon with a green chalkboard that just says Google Classroom. If you're still having trouble finding the app though, simply touch the middle of the screen, keep your finger on the screen, and swipe down. In the search bar, type in Classroom. And select the app from here. Once you're in Google Classroom, you will need to select your teacher's class. Your teacher may have multiple classes, maybe one for reading, maybe one for math. Just be sure to select the correct class. So right now, I'll select the one at the top. Once you are in your teacher's class, you will see a stream of assignments your teacher has listed for you to complete. This is where all of your classwork lives and where you will spend most of your time in Google Classroom. Click on an assignment you wish to complete, read the directions, and either mark as done or submit your work. I'm going to show you an example of each here. So here's assignment number 2. I'm going to click on the link below. I would do my work in the attached link. When I'm done, I would hit Classroom to go back to Classroom, hit the arrow at the bottom, and hit the pink button Mark as Done. Your button might not be pink because your teacher may have set it to a different color, like blue or green or gray. Hit the arrow to go back down, and go back to your stream page. Another type of assignment you might have looks like this. It's number 6, a question. I would read the question, and then I would hit the box that says type or answer. I would type my response here, and hit the turn in button to submit. If you ever need to get out of your current class and go back to a different class, just click on your hamburger menu at the top left part of your screen and choose the class you need to access. That's all we have for today. Thanks so much for listening, and we hope you have an easy time using Google Classroom.